Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our lesson for today for the first intermediate grade. Our subject is English, the English language, from the book Super Goal 2. For the second semester of this year, our lesson is Unit 2, Form, Meaning and Function. This presentation is prepared by Nusayba Madkhali. Thank you very much, Teacher Nusayba, and it will be presented by me, Sultan Shahrani. So, at first I want to make sure that the book that we are going to discuss today is Super Goal 2. It is Super Goal 2. It's one of the curriculums that we are teaching and studying. The students are studying in Saudi Arabia. So, our book is Super Goal 2. So, at first, thank you very much everyone for being with me. Really, I'm happy to be with you. It's a pleasure, and I hope you get fun to be with me. The second thing, I want to make sure that everyone is ready for our lesson for today. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Very nice. Let's go ahead. So, in this lesson, those are the lesson objectives. In this lesson, you can, number one, use intensifiers with subjects. Number two, distinguish between ed, ended adjectives, and ended. Okay, at first we have a warm-up. Who is your favorite teacher and why? Okay, the first boy is asking the second one, and the second one is saying, Mr. Al-Ahmed, he's very friendly. So, I'm asking you now, who is your favorite teacher and why? Can you tell me? Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher? Thank you very much, Muhammad. Thank you very much. My best student. My favorite student. Thank you very much. And why? Can you tell me why? The reason? Why am I your favorite teacher? For is a good in English. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Muhammad. You are good. You are good too. You are the best. One of the best that I have. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Also, you're the best student that I have. Thank you very much, Muhammad. I'm really happy to be with you today. So, now we will start with the form, meaning, and function. We will start with the intensifiers. Okay? We use adverbs like very, quite, really, pretty, and extremely to make adjectives stronger. Oh, this is very important. To make adjectives stronger. These adverbs are normally placed before the adjectives. Before the adjectives. Let's take an example. Ali is an extreme adjective, and this is the adverb. Okay, extremely is the adverb which comes before the adjective. Okay, for example, Ali is very tall. We can say extremely tall, really tall, quite tall, pretty tall. Okay, science is pretty interesting. Science is a really interesting subject. Faisal is quite short. Faisal is quite an intelligent student. Adjectives with ed. So now we will discuss the adjectives with ed. Or ing sometimes it will be. We'll see it. Adjectives that ending in ed. Okay, describe how a person feels or reacts. So, when I say this person is excited, can you see it, ED? This is the ED. He's excited. So, he feels that he's excited. Okay, bored. This boy or girl feels that he is or she is bored. Tired. This man feels that he is tired. Adjectives that ending in ing. ing. Describe what causes a feeling or reaction. So we can say exciting. This boy is exciting. So he makes us exciting, okay? We are excited for him. Bored, we can say boring. This boy is boring. So he makes us bored of him. This man is tiring. We are getting tired of him. So when we say ed, it's his feeling. When we say ing, it's our feeling. Okay? Is it okay now? Is it okay for you? Okay, let's see. We have more adjectives with ed or ing. Let's see. Interested. We can say interesting. So, the boy is interested in these eggs. He is interested in these eggs. These eggs, interesting to the boy. These eggs, interesting to the boy. Annoyed. This boy is annoyed. He feels annoyed. Worried. He feels worried. Can you see him? He's worried. Frightened. He's frightened. Confused. Okay, this boy confused. He feels confused. So let's go to the exercise. Circle the correct adjectives. Okay, we want to make a circle. We are really excited or exciting because our team is winning the football game. So what do you think? We are really excited or exciting? Excellent, Muhammad. Yes, it is. Excited. We feel excited. We feel excited. Excellent. This is excited. Thank you very much, Muhammad. Number 2. Sabah feels extremely tired or tiring. So she wants to stay home and relax. What do you think? Tired or tiring? Okay, Sabah. Okay, good try. Good try, Muhammad. Thank you. But listen, Sabah feels. Sabah feels. She feels that. She feels that. That she's extremely. What do you think, Muhammad? She feels that. Is it ing? Are you sure? She feels extremely tired. Very nice. Excellent. Yes, it is. Tired. Excellent. Thank you very much, Muhammad. Number 3. This math problem is quite confused or confusing. Can you please help me with it? What do you think? Confused or confusing? Confused or confusing? This math problem. You know the math problem? It doesn't feel anything. No feelings in the math, okay? So what do you think? Confused or confusing? We feel something. We feel something. Confusing. It is confusing. Excellent. This is confusing, okay? Number 4. I'm never bored. Boring in science class. I'm never bored or boring. bored or boring? I never feel bored or boring. What do you think? Is it bored or boring? Good try, Muhammad. But you know, I feel something. I am never, or I never feel bored or boring. It's my feeling. So what do you think? Bored. It is bored. I'm never bored. Okay. In science class, the experiments are very interested or interesting. Interested or interesting. What do you think? I'm talking about the experiments. They are very interested or interesting. Interesting. It is interesting. Okay. Number 5. Now we are on number 5. You look extremely worrying. Is anything wrong? So what do you think? Worried or worrying? Is it worried or worrying? You look extremely It's okay, Muhammad. Worried. This time, worried. Okay? You look extremely worried. Is anything wrong? Okay. Number 6, the teacher is annoyed or annoying because the students aren't paying attention. So the teacher feels, he feels, what do you think? Annoyed or annoying? Annoyed, excellent. He feels, the teacher feels. Okay? When we say, listen, when we say the teacher feels, we take the ed. Okay? When we are talking about his feelings, okay? So we will take the ed. When we are talking about you feeling, we will take the ed. Okay? Is it okay, Muhammad? And Ali, I think it's okay. Number 7. I don't like to watch frightened or frightening films on TV. Okay, it's not my feeling. Okay, but it's not my feeling. It's not my feeling. What do you think? I'm talking about the film. Frightened or frightening? Excellent. Very good, Muhammad. Now you know it. Beautiful. Excellent. I prefer to watch comedies. Number 8, the last one. History isn't bored or boring. Okay? We are not talking about history's feeling. No, there is nothing. No feelings. So what do you think? Boring. Excellent. Excellent. Yes, it is. The last one. It's quite a fascinating subject. What do you think? Fascinated or fascinating? It's quite fascinated or fascinating. No feelings. We are not talking about feelings. No feelings. Excellent. ing. Excellent. Very nice. Beautiful. Thank you very much, Muhammad. Thank you very much. Okay. Now let's go to the next. B. Use the words to write sentences. Oh, we have words and we want to make sentences. So, what should we say? For example, let's take this example. Football. Very exciting sports. We say football is a very exciting sport. Okay? Number 1. Math, quite difficult subject. What can we say? Math, quite difficult subject. Can you tell me? Math, quite difficult subject. Math is a quite difficult subject. Beautiful. Excellent. Yes, it is. Math or the math is quite a difficult subject. Excellent. It's quite a difficult subject. Number 2. Excellent. Thank you very much, Muhammad. Maha, really talented artist. Maha, really talented artist. What do you think? Maha, really talented artist. Maha is a really talented artist. Excellent. Excellent, Muhammad. Very nice. Beautiful. So we said Maha is a really talented artist. Excellent. Very nice. Number 3. Fahad. Extremely athletic student. Fahad, extremely athletic student. What do you think? Fahad, extremely athletic student. Number 3, Fahad, extremely athletic student. So we have to start with Fahad. Okay, after that is extremely athletic student. Excellent. Yes, that's right, Muhammad. But we have to use an extremely. Excellent. Yes, that's right. Fahad is an extremely athletic student. Excellent. An extremely. Okay, we have to say an extremely. Thank you very much, Muhammad. That's beautiful. Number 4. History, pretty interesting subject. History, pretty interesting subject. So what can we say? History. After that, okay, I'm waiting for your answers. Number 4, history, pretty interesting subject. History, pretty interesting subject. The history is a pretty interesting subject. Excellent. Yes, that's right. That's right, Muhammad. Excellent. But you know, good try. Beautiful. But we don't use my. There is no my in this. Okay? So we say history is excellent. Thank you, Muhammad. A pretty interesting subject. Like this. History is a pretty interesting subject. Thank you very much, Muhammad. Brilliant student, Muhammad. Number 5. Mr. Parks, quite strict teacher. Okay, Mr. Parks, quite strict teacher. What do you think about this one? We will start with Mr. Parks, then Mr. Parker is quite strict teacher. Excellent. Yes, it is. Is quite. Okay, Mr. Parker is quite a. Okay, with quite, we put a after that. Also with quite, we put it here. A and is. Mr. Parker's is quite a strict teacher. Excellent, Muhammad. Thank you very much, Muhammad. This is for you. Excellent. So the last thing is B. Use the words to write sentences. This is the same. Those are the same answers. Okay, C. Work with a partner. Talk about school subject and school friends. Use adjectives from this unit and the adverbs very, quite, really, pretty, and extremely. After we finish this lesson, I want you to go to your friend, your partner, your brother, your sister, and talk with him. I want you to talk with him to make sentences and use very, quite, really, pretty, and extremely. Okay? Can you do it? After we finish, can you do it with your brother, your friend, your father? Excellent. That's right. Beautiful. So this is the end. This is the summary. We talked about adjectives end in ed and adjectives end in ing. We said the ed describe how a person feels or reacts, but the ending in ing describe what causes or a feeling or reaction. What causes a feeling or reaction. Thank you very much for being with me. I am really happy to be with you, and I hope I see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.